And there's breaking news coming in. Yashasvi Jaiswal's controversial and dramatic dismissal on day 5 of the Boxing Day test between India and Australia at the Melbourne cricket ground is causing a stir on social media. Viewers, the breaking news that's coming in now, BCCI says the third umpire on BCCI statement is now out on Yashasvi Jaiswal's MCG dismissal. They say the third umpire should have taken note of Snicko. The dismissal proved to be the final nail in the coffin as Australia registered a 184-run win. Rohit Sharma spoke about the controversial call that was made by the third umpire. Listen in.
एक विवादास्पद निर्णय जिसको लेकर गावस्कर ने भी बोला है और लोगों ने बोला है कि जो उसका यशस्वी जायसवाल का था वो आउट नहीं था। मैं भी मैच देख रहा था तो मैंने उसमें जो स्नोकोमीटर है उसमें तो क्लियर था कि टच नहीं किया, लेकिन वो थर्ड अंपायर का फैसला था। तो ठीक है, अब जो मैच का परिणाम आया। अब आगे हम सिडनी टेस्ट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। लेकिन मेरी एक बात कहनी है, हमारा पर्सनल व्यू ये है कि इस मामले में टेक्निकल कमेटी को आईसीसी को देखना चाहिए कि या तो टेक्नोलॉजी के हिसाब से जाए या जो इंडिविजुअल की ओपिनियन है थर्ड अंपायर की उस हिसाब से जाए। एक कोई चीज तो होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि एक फैसले में आप स्नोकोमीटर के हिसाब से गए और दूसरे फैसलों में आपने उसको नहीं माना। तो ये जो है आईसीसी की टेक्निकल कमेटी को ये डिसाइड देखना चाहिए कि कुछ ना कुछ इसका रास्ता निकालना चाहिए।
Let me go across to Rakshita. Rakshita, you've been speaking to cricketers since morning, trying to get in a sense of what really happened at the Melbourne cricket ground. Give us details as the opinion remains divided. BCCI is extremely clear on the statement that there should have been a look at other aspects by the third umpire.
Well, absolutely. Of course, the important word will be what conclusive evidence does the umpire have. But the problem lies in the rules, in the laws of the game, which still need a lot of reforms. And we've seen such controversies occurring time and again in big tournaments, in across formats, especially when it comes to a test match. And when it comes to a test match down under a series like BGT, it will always be very highly competitive, and it takes a lot for any cricketer to, in fact, contribute in the challenging situation. Yashasvi Jaiswal was making a valiant effort while the Indian batters were crumbling down. All the top batters like Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli failed to deliver at a time when India was trying, tooth and nail to save the test match. Yashasvi Jaiswal, if he would have not been dismissed, there were chances that India could have saved this test match. But having said that, the dismissal is something that even Rohit Sharma says was clearly something that he did touch. When he says he did touch he means that he did touch the ball with that bat, even though the snickometer did not catch that. And technology is something that cannot be, credible all the time. It's not always 100%. Neither the Hawkeye that is used for several other decisions for the dismissals. So likewise, it's up to the umpire. And now Rajiv Shukla of the BCCI, the vice president, is saying that there should be solid grounds if at all you overrule and the way you use technology. Even Rohit Sharma has said that, how do you use technology, how you decide whether to ignore what technology is saying, if there is any inconclusive decision or not. You could have, given the benefit of doubt as well, but that did not happen. The Bangladeshi umpire was booed by the Indian fans, and also there were chants of cheater that were echoing all across the MCG. Of course, a lot of disappointment amongst the Indian fans. But if you see many of the experts, even the retired umpire like Simon Toffel is saying that it was clearly out. But Indian stalwarts like Sunil Gavaskar also slamming the umpire on ground and calling out the duplicity. Rohit Sharma, if you see in that press conference, also says that it is a pattern that India often falls on the wrong side of such decisions when it comes to such confusing decisions or inconclusive evidence situation.
Rakshita, it's clear that the third umpire's decision has sparked a row. What can India actually do to ensure that this could be relooked at? Is there any option available for Team India?
No, not really. That's what the problem is. Even if we talk about the rules and the subjectivity, of course, is something that becomes questionable, and henceforth many of these umpires get criticized for the same. And right now, of course, there is no such way. If you see, and the host country is Australia. If these things are raised by the representatives of the respect of the boards, suppose the BCCI to the ICC, then there will be, of course, a change in the rules. But it is a long drawn process. But right now, there's nothing that can be really practically that can be done to change or overturn any kind of decision. The match is over now, and India, of course, has lost that very important test match, which India could have in fact saved if at all things wouldn't have panned out in India's favour. And this, of course, is something that is on the basis of evidence. And mostly what we see is that if the third umpire is not showing any any nick, any sort of edge, then mostly the umpire will go with the decision of what is being shown.
Yes.
Here it is something that is that's something we do not see often, and the umpire ignored what the slickometer showed and went with the original, that is the deflection that was visible with the naked eye.
All right. Thank you, Rakshita, for giving us those details. It's something that India should surely take up on a world arena, but that's something we're going to leave and see what can further happen.